Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo, so please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So once again, ditaba ga di fele, especially Sithelo and Andile drama, you guys. So Musa Kaula dropped yet another bomb and has alleged with evidence and case files and numbers that he has obtained evidence which shows that Andile opened a restraining order against Sithelo last year for stalking and harassing him and his family, you guys. So Musa wrote this thread, which I'll just read. So here it goes. On the 17th December 2021, Andile took a protection order against Sithelo Suzi, citing physical and emotional abuse. The protection order details upon their breakup. Andile went to Sithelo's place where he was assaulted and had his windscreen broken, a thread Musa wrote. Andile described Sithelo Shozi as a violent and aggressive person. He further says Sithelo has harassed his family and friends by constantly calling them. Andile says Sithelo Shozi further assaulted him on the 4th of December 2021 and called him names. On the protection order, Andile says on the 15th December 2021, Sithelo Shozi followed him to an event where she belittled him and said he is useless and a loser. Guys, Musa Kaula alleges that the screenshot that Sithelo shared of Mamkhize was that of her complaining to Mamkhize about Andile's cheating and not of the allegation, she said. And Musa also shared a screenshot of a conversation that Sithelo had with Mamkhize, allegedly so, where Mamkhize allegedly typed saying she doesn't know what to do or say anymore. Now, do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.